Welcome to the 2026 Travel Glow Guide, focusing on the top 20 trending skincare kits. We'll be forecasting the intersection of bioactive potency and high-altitude skin resilience for the modern traveler. First up is Drunk Elephant's The Littles 2026. This color-coded routine organizes actives by pH level. The kit is designed for the visual Voyager and includes a climate-adaptive ceramides pod for recycled cabin air. Number 2 is Tatcha's The Ritual of Travel. This dewy skin favorite uses Japanese fermentation tech, focusing on HADASEI3, a blend of double fermented rice, green tea, and algae. It is perfect for long-haul recovery and jet-lagged dullness. Next is the Heritage Botanist kit, representing regional artisanal mastery. This brand is leading the move toward ethical sourcing excellence, using cold-pressed rosehip and essential oils from high-altitude valleys. The fourth kit is Glow Recipes Fruit Pop Mini Set. It offers a simple regimen to hydrate with the watermelon glow drops, brighten with the cloudberry bright essence, and protect using the Plum Plump hyaluronic cream. Number 5 is the Bio Serum Concentrates. This kit features precision regional biotech and is the gold standard for molecular minimalism. A key trend is the use of glass-only travel packaging for 100% recyclability. Sunday Riley's The Wake Up Call is 6th on our list. Known for lactic acid mastery, this Good Genes favorite provides an instant facial, clearing travel-induced congestion in under 15 minutes. The 7th kit is the Botanical Alchemy collection, built around artisanal rituals and a slow beauty philosophy. It includes hand-distilled mists and volcanic clay masks for a deep mineral detox post-flight. Laneige's Midnight Hydration is number 8. This kit harnesses blue hyaluronic power, utilizing water bank technology that activates during sleep. Microscopic blue hyaluronic acid penetrates up to 10 layers deep. 9th is Rhodes The Glazing Travel System. This minimalist system focuses on a glazing milk for a skin barrier foundation, a peptide serum for repair, and a lip treatment essential for cabin dryness. Number 10, the Urban Traveler's Radiance features global appeal and regional design. This vitamin-heavy routine is designed to fight urban pollution, with the Pollution Shields PF50+ as a hero concept. At 11, we have Summer Fridays Jet Lag Trio. The iconic jet lag mask is redefined with mist-to-mask technology for easier airplane application, packaged in 100% recyclable aluminum tubes. Aesop's The Departure Kit 2026 is number 12. This apothecary elegance appeals to the quiet luxury traveler, using antioxidant-rich parsley seed and cedarwood for a grounding sensory experience. 13th is the Ethical Sourcing Beauty Bundle, which champions community-first skincare. This kit features zero-waste botanicals, with ingredients traceable to individual farms, ensuring high-potency purity. Youth to the People's Superfood is number 14. This kit includes a kale cleanser for gentle detox, an energy serum with vitamin C and caffeine, and a retinoid pod for overnight repair. Number 15 is Caudaly's Vino Perfect Glow. Its viniferine brightening ingredient, derived from grapevines, is highly effective for addressing dark spots, making it the secret weapon for sun travelers. The 16th kit is Kiehl's Heritage Pharmacy. This ultra-facial routine offers reliable barrier support, providing the necessary baseline of skin health against extreme humidity or desert air. Finally, the SkinStream shortlist rounds out the top 20. It features SkinCeuticals for clinical barrier repair, Biossance for squalane glow, Shiseido for immune skin health, and La Mer for the elite Voyager. Here is a comparative analysis focusing on potency versus weight for 4 of the leading kits. We look at hero ingredients, travel size weight, and sustainability ratings. Innovation in 2026 centers on bio-fermented extracts. Fermentation is key to bioavailability, as it breaks down ingredients into smaller molecules for deeper penetration, crucial during flight-induced dehydration. Sustainable innovation focuses on the infinite cycle. This includes 100% recyclable high-durability glass, refill pods for modular systems, and carbon-negative travel cases made of mushroom leather. The ideal travel regimen follows the 3-step SkinStream routine. This includes pre-flight hydration, mid-flight micromisting, and barrier sealing upon arrival to reset the skin microbiome. Visual storytelling for the YouTube algorithm emphasizes ASMR and lo-fi aesthetics. Content creators focus on the sound and texture of travel kits, highlighting the tactile luxury of heavy glass and natural packaging. The Regional Growth Index shows that the 2026 traveler values local wisdom and modern science over mass-market brands. Regional bioheritage is growing by 85%, outpacing Silicon Valley biotech and European heritage brands. Why the kit matters is about managing the jet lag cost. A single 8-hour flight can result in a 30% loss of skin hydration. Without a climate-adaptive kit, skin barrier recovery can take up to 72 hours. The future is AI-personalized minis. By late 2026, leading kits will include a smart sensor that analyzes local weather and humidity, suggesting the exact ratio of serums needed. Destination adaptive beauty is the final frontier. As Dr. Alina V., a biotech forecaster, states, beauty in 2026 is no longer about vanity. It is about resilience and ritual in an ever-moving world. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit our website and follow us for more updates on elevating your voyage.